I didn't think he was actually going to do it. I didn't think he was actually going to do it. I really didn't.
Call Grandma Val.
Yeah, well, I need to get over here. Sure, everybody just butt in front of me, even though, like, people gotta stay this lane. Let's go down to 30. God. Dude. What?
Oh my god!
Si esta baila, pues yo también bailo. Si esta
Oh my god.
a todo lo que nos pasa, lo bueno y lo malo.
Todavía más bravo.
Cuando a mí me va mal,
No,
puedo encontrar consuelo en la presencia de Dios. Cuando a mí me va bien, puedo encontrar consuelo en la presencia de Dios.
Seguimos, perdías.
And we got to see amazing places and meet just some of the most incredible people that I've ever met. And so thank you to Vet Tribe for making this all possible. And yeah, thanks for your support.
Are you selling this?
My neighbor is.
Simple, fresh. When all you can sushi is think about Postmates. Order from the best restaurants in LA.
Bruh. Wow.
Wow, dude. Just you saw that?
Yes, I saw.
You're okay? Yeah.
I'll be there like
Whoa! Whoa!
Why would you do that? Ah, damn. I mean, if they need the video.
What are you doing?
Cabrón, no lo voy a dejar que se meta. Llámale al policía. Llámale al policía. Ya, es el mismo carro.
No shit.
After half a mile, take exit 79 right, County Highway 15, Altiros Cook. Then, after 0.2 miles, turn left towards
If you like this video, please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.